Hi. So sorry about that last video. Kind of got cut off. Took it right up to the last minute on that one. Anyway, talked about aerobic versus anaerobic. Aerobic, this part is aerobic because it requires oxygen. Now, where do we go from there? Well, from there we go from the electron transport chain. Now we've built up all this hydrogen in between the layers of the mitochondria. And now what we can do is we can use this enzyme over here called ATP synthase. Right? So the hydrogen ions, these H's, cannot, really just protons, they cannot just pass directly through the mitochondria membrane. They're just kind of trapped in between those two membranes. They just build up. There's a protein that's embedded within the membrane of the mitochondria, the inner membrane of the mitochondria, that allows those hydrogens to move through. That's called ATP synthase. And what this molecule does, it is, guys, when I saw this, I thought it was the coolest thing. As best science can figure out and understands at this point, this protein, this big crazy protein enzyme, spins. Like literally parts of it spin like a generator, like a wind turbine. So think about like a wind turbine, as wind flows through it and the blades spin and that generates electricity. This thing basically, as hydrogen flows through this protein molecule, parts of this molecule actually spins. And I've not found if we know exactly how that generates ATP, but basically this protein molecule, this ATP synthase, uses those flowing those flowing protons, those flowing hydrogens to turn parts of this big protein molecule that changes another shape in another part of the molecule. And that allows it then to easily take a free-floating phosphate, tie it to ADP, an adenosine diphosphate, something that has two phosphates. As this protein, this enzyme, takes another shape and it easily puts that single phosphate onto the ADP, and now I've got ATP, generating lots of energy to do it. And again, this is as best science can tell at this point. This is kind of how we think this is working. The engineer in me saw this as like moving parts inside a cell. That's awesome. That's crazy. Yeah, I was blown away. This is really kind of this excited me. I don't know. I'm a nerd. I get it. Maybe this doesn't excite you guys, but this is really cool. So what's actually going on? Again, remember, and so I adapted this one off the internet to kind of fit into what we've got here. And so, I've replaced what we saw earlier with the electron transport chain here, right? And so basically things are coming out of the citric acid cycle, and as they do, it's not the best GIF, I'm sorry, but hopefully you guys kind of get the idea. So you've got this complex of different proteins that are extracting from the NADH and the FADH, extracting those hydrogens, pushing them out then into the space in between the layers of the mitochondria. And then those hydrogens can just move over to an ATP synthase and just trickle back into the cell. And this is moving a little too fast for you to see, but what it's actually doing is what it's showing here. You got ADP and a single phosphate coming up, dropping one of these hydrogens, dropping out of the ATP synthase, binding on board, and generating ATP. And I think it's the coolest thing. Again, I'm a bit of a nerd, but I think it's pretty cool. All right, guys, stop in the Zoom. Send me an email sometime. I'm happy to set up a Zoom outside of regular time. That's no problem. Just let me know. You have questions, concerns. I will get some grading done. I promise I'll get some grading done. Your exams and some labs, I'll get some of those graded. I apologize, I've not gotten to those yet. Don't worry. I will very soon. Okay. All right, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Don't have to stay warm anymore, hopefully. All right, guys, have a good one.